Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our middle school math kit. Make sure to hit our subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Pigs and Penguins is a math game in which students are to figure out what was rolled on the dice. What was the number rolled on the pig's dice and what was rolled on the penguin's dice. To start, one of the players will secretly roll both the dice, and they will give the other players 2 bits of information. One is going to be the total amount of animals, so they will add up the number on the penguin dice and they'll add up the number on the pig dice, and in this case it was 7. They will then figure out how many feet each group had. So penguins have 2 feet, so it would be 2 times 3 to get 6. And pigs have 4 feet, so it's 4 times 4, which is 16, which gives us the 6 plus 16, a total of 22 feet. So the player that rolled the dice will give just those 2 bits of information, total number of animals and total number of feet. Given that information, the students need to solve what was rolled on the pig's dice and what was rolled on the penguin's dice. They can do that just by guessing and checking. That's perfectly fine. But if they know about a system of equations, they can use that information to figure out an answer. So to show you that, I'm going to first tell you that I'm going to represent the penguins as a P in my equations and the pigs as a B for bacon for the other variable. So as I said earlier, we know that P plus the B equals 7. The pigs plus the penguins equals 7. The penguins had 2 feet, so I have 2 times the P. And the pigs had 4 feet, so I have the 4 times the B equals 22. So that students should be able to write those equations out. Now from there, they have to break down and try to solve for one of the variables. So I'm going to try to solve for the P for the penguins first. In order to do that, I need to get that P all by itself. So I'm going to take that B and subtract it from both sides of the equation. So I have B minus B, because whatever I do to one side, I have to do the other side, equals 7 minus B, which gives me P equals 7 minus B. So now we have the P isolated by itself. So then I can plug it into this 2P plus 4B equals 22. So I plug that P equals that 7 minus B, and I write out this equation as 2 times 7 is 14, and 2 times negative B is negative 2B, plus 4B equals 22. I now have to subtract that 2B and that 4B. 14 plus 2B, or positive 2B, equals 22. And then I'm going to subtract that 14 from both sides. So I have 14 minus 14, which is going to be 0, plus 2B equals 22 minus 14. That is going to give me 2B equals 8. I'm going to divide both sides by 2B, which gives me a final answer of B equals 4. So I know that there was a 4 rolled on the pig dice, my bacon dice. Now I'm going to take that 4 and I'm going to plug it into this first equation, 2P plus B equals 7. So I'm going to put that 4 into that problem, and you see that right here, P plus 4 equals 7. I'm going to subtract that 4 from both sides. P equals 3. So I have B equals 4, so I have P equaling 3 and B equaling 4. Students can then take counters and cover up a 4 and a 3 on the board anywhere they want to. And the goal is to get 3 in a row. 3 of their counters of the same color in a row. So whoever gets this answer correct gets to put their counters on the board. Students can work together to try to solve this, and as I said before, students who do not know how to do this whole system of equations as yet can just guess and check and just start plugging in numbers into this formula to try to come up with an answer. All right, so enjoy. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.